Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And Facebook and Instagram will let users turn off all political ads for the 2020 elections. So going forward, you will be able to turn off Facebook ads related to the social issues, elections or politics in the next few weeks. The new feature will be announced for US Facebook users over the next weeks, and you will be able to turn off all social issues, electoral or political ads from candidates. It's a part of Facebook's wider efforts around voting, including a new voter center that will give people information about how and when to vote, voter registration, voting by mail, and early voting. You can turn off political ads on Facebook by going to your settings and privacy, and once you click on settings, go on to the left hand side and click on ads, and once you click on ads, click on add topics, and when you click on add topics, you will see social issues, elections or politics, and tap see fewer ads about these topics. Now I'll show you how to do it graphically and visually. There are two ways by which you can turn off your political ads on Facebook. The first way is when you see an ad, click on the ad, and then when the option comes, click on the see fewer ads, and then that ad will disappear. And the second way is from ad preferences. Once you go into ad preferences, click on add topics, and then click on social issues, elections or politics, and then click on see fewer ads about this topic. So these are the two ways that you can turn off political ads, that is from an ad itself or from ad preferences in your Facebook account.